Hey guys, Aaron here. We're out here at biologic and we're gonna be looking at a sway bar mount kit installation. I guess the guy to ask is gonna be Grant over here. So let's just get into this. And Grant.
I'm Grant with biologic, the lead engineer. Today we are going to be installing our new sway bar mount and brace kit. With our sway bar mount, Polaris gives you a cast aluminum which has the potential to break. And with our new billet aluminum sway bar mount, it's much stronger, beefier, which will then attach to our brace, which will give more structural support to the OEM mounting surface. All right, the first step to installing our sway bar kit is to drill out this small hole so that we are able to fit our 3/8 bolt. Next, we are going to be removing the factory mount, or the factory sway bar mount. Once you have your original mount and bushings out, nice thing to do is to inspect them and clean them. As you can see, these bushings have one race season on them, so they will be replaced. All right, now that we have cleaned off our bushing and sway bar, we will be installing our new biologic mount onto our aftermarket sway bar. Next, we'll place the bushings onto the sway bar. Then install the mount onto the bushings. And with our supply carriage bolts, install in the stock locations. All right, next we will be installing our brace. It is sometimes a little tricky. Next we will install our supplied 5/16 hardware into our mount. You may have to adjust your sway bar to get the middle bolt in. The smaller 3/8 hardware will be installed on the left side of your mount. This is only on the passenger side, so it does not come too close to the coolant line. Now we're going to be reinstalling our drop link. Because this is an aftermarket sway bar, we did have to remove this link.
Bottom one?
Already tight.
Getting everything set so we can get this thing outside and test it. Okay, now that we got that all done, let's get you guys in a little bit more there. Okay, now that we got that all done, the race rig is ready to go, but we don't have a track. We want to test it out somewhere just to kind of get some shots to see how that mount is doing. And I guess the best thing that we got is our parking lot with massive speed bumps. So let's try that one. I mean, seriously, like if you break this on a speed bump,
Then it probably shouldn't race.
that's good. feel?
Fine.
Stable? Everything looks good?
Oh yeah. And that's how you install and test a sway bar mount in a parking lot.